creating a child page in Figma. Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you a super quick way to add child pages in Figma using the Page Automator plugin. This whole process will only take a few seconds to set up. First, open up your Figma file and go to the Plugins section. Then search for Page Automator. Once it pops up, select Open Composer from the dropdown. This opens up a set of options to easily build page structures. Now, click on Sample to access a few ready-to-use page templates. From here, let's choose the Project Starter template. As soon as you select it, you'll see child pages automatically added and organized in the left panel. It's all structured and ready to go. You can now rename and customize each page however you like to match your project. And that's it. You've got a full set of child pages created in just a few seconds. Keep an eye out for more quick Figma tips and tricks. I'll keep sharing ways to make your workflow even faster. Thanks for watching.